What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs. I'm here to do a little bit of a review on this. It's a police security flashlight. It's kind of like a tactical light. It is pretty basic. It's 2 AA batteries. It's got 1 LED, and it is pretty bright. As you can see, it is rather bright. It comes in handy at night. It is very durable. I'll even be willing to drop it on the ground so you can see that. As you can see, still works just fine, no problem. I know that's not like throwing it across the room or something or anything like that, but dropping it from, about 5 foot-ish, that's pretty decent. So you do know that it's relatively durable and it will last. I've had 2 others of these. This actually makes the 3rd one that I've had. Not because they broke or anything, but because I actually lost the other 2. I have no idea where they went. But anyways, I went ahead and I got another one. They're about $14. I got this one at AutoZone. So actually it's money well spent. I mean, two AA batteries and 1 LED light bulb, and it doesn't do anything special or fancy. It doesn't flicky flashy or nothing like that. It just on, and you got a good quality high vision flashlight. And I wanted to get another one because I needed a flashlight for all the work that I've been doing underneath my vehicle, and to have a supplement light. Not only do I have my drop light, but also have this to look up into little places that I couldn't see with, or get the big light too. So I would be able to get really down in there and actually see how well it does. As far as distance, distance is pretty decent on it. It's not too bad. I can light up reflectors with it. Anyways, from quite a distance. I can actually see the neighbor's garage with it, which is quite a ways away. Anyways, it's a pretty good light. I mean, if you're just looking for a standard flashlight to have, if you don't think you have to have some fancy flicky flashy thing, which, that's not what this is. This is just a standard flashlight. So anyways, it's a police security light. Like I said, I had 2 others, and I really wanted to get another one because I really liked them. As far as me and what I do, I'll buy things over and over again if, like, I lose them or something, if I like them. And I happen to really like this light, and I was glad that AutoZone is the one that carries it. I think you can get them other places, obviously, probably, and you could probably get them online too, but I picked this one up at AutoZone. So anyways, guys, gals, that's about it. It's a pretty good light. It's nice and bright, and it's durable. It's being dropped from 5 foot. So there you go. If you're looking for a decent little flashlight, heck, and I've even used it fishing and stuff. I've used it out fishing and things like that. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Hit the notifications if you want to, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.